Hello there and welcome to the immune system. So let's have a read of this together and explain to you what this is all about. So your body has a very special system that protects you from illness and disease. It's called the immune system, and it knows when there is something inside your body that should not be there. All the cells in your body have a way to tell the immune system that I belong here. I'm not going to do any harm. And so the immune system leaves those cells alone. Think about the cells in your body wearing the name tag that says self. Anything with a self name tag is a good guy, but things like bacteria, viruses, and parasites wear name tags that say non-self. This is just an example. When the immune system sees a non-self name tag, it jumps into action and attacks those foreign invaders. Any foreign substance in your body that makes the immune system attack it is called an antigen. These antigen invaders can be pollen from the air, it could be a virus, or certain types of bad bacteria. There are many different kinds of immune cells helping to keep you from getting sick. They can be grouped into what we called a phagocyte, so site, and it could also be called lymphocyte as well. So phagocyte and lymphocyte. So phagocytes are types of white blood cell, and one of their jobs is to gobble up and digest antigens. So they actually will remove antigens from your body. They are always swimming around in your bloodstream, always on the lookout for any antigens or any invaders, any foreign invaders. And when they see one, gulp, they eat it up. Lymphocytes are also white blood cells, and the main type are B cells, T helper cells, and T killer cells. Many antigens can be very sneaky, like viruses, and can hide from phagocytes. So it's the job of the lymphocytes to find them and get rid of them. And this is an example on the right-hand side. You can see viruses will kill healthy cells in the body, and we need to make sure that they don't. And that's where your immune system will automatically get into gear and start fighting these foreign invaders. How can you keep your immune system, your natural immune system, healthy in your body? Well, it's very easy. First of all, eat healthy fruit and vegetables, eat a healthy diet, do plenty of exercise. When you do these three things and look after yourself, your immune system will always be very active in your bodies. Okay, so good luck with the rest of these questions, and we'll follow these up in our next lesson. Thank you.